How much unfortunate will be that person whose deed of the whole life will be multiplied by 0, and at the end he will be thrown to the hellfire. A very shocking hadith in Ibn Majah by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. لَعَالَمَنَّ أَقْوَامًا مِّنْ أُمَّتِي يَأْتُونَ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ بِحَسَنَاتٍ أَمْثَالِ جِبَالِ تِهَامَةَ بَيْضَاءَ. I know the people of my nation who will come on the day of resurrection with the good deeds like Tihama mountain. The people who has the quantity of hasanat, who has the quantity of good deeds which are equal to the Tihama mountain. But Allah will multiply all those deeds with 0. فَيَجْعَلُهَا اللَّهُ عَزَّ وَجَلَّ هَبَاءً مَنْثُورًا. Allah will make all those good deeds like scattered particles of Thawban radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was shocked. Thawban radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, sifhum lana, please explain to us about those people. Jallihim lana, and tell us more about those people, because this is very serious issue. كَيْ لَا يَكُونَ مِنْهُمْ وَنَحْنُ لَا نَعْلَمُ, so that we may not be included, we may not become from those people unknowingly. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Amma innahum ikhwanukum wa min jildatikum wa ya'khuduna min al-layli kama ta'khudun." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, in fact, they are your brothers and they are just like of your skins. They are from your race, and they are also worshipping at the nights as you all people are doing. Just imagine the companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam are worshipping at the night, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that these people are also worshipping at the night like you, but still Allah is multiplying their hasanat with 0. Why? وَلَكِنَّهُمْ أَقْوَامٌ إِذَا دَخَلُوا بِمَحَارِمِ اللَّهِ انْتَهَكُوهَا. Because whenever these people are alone, they are just transgressing the sacred limits of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are crossing the sacred boundaries of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the loneliness. That's why Allah will multiply the whole life. Allah will multiply the hasanat of whole life with 0, and at the end they will be thrown to the hellfire. Allahu Akbar. We should evaluate ourselves. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says in hadith of Sahih Bukhari, فَإِنِّي لَأَرَى الْفِتَنَ تَقَعُ خِلَالَ بُيُوتِكُمْ كَوَقَعِ الْقَطْرِ. In fact, I see the afflictions falling among the houses of you, just like the raindrops fall on the earth. And from one of the biggest affliction of present times is mobile phone. I am not against the positive use of technology, but I am talking in terms of negative use. We are just thinking that no one is watching to us, and unknowingly we are just crossing the sacred limits of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala while we are alone. We suppose that no one is watching to us, but Allah mentions in Holy Quran, يَسْتَغْفُونَ مِنَ النَّاسِ وَلَا يَسْتَغْفُونَ مِنَ اللَّهِ وَهُوَ مَعَهُمْ إِذْ يُبَيِّنُونَ. Allah mentions in Holy Quran, they are concealing their sins from the people, but they cannot conceal their sins from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah is with them in terms of His knowledge when they are alone. وَمَعَهُمْ إِذْ يُبَيِّتُونَ. Whenever they are spending nights, Allah is with them in terms of His knowledge. Allah is watching to them. Then Allah mentions in Holy Quran, إِذْ يَتَلَقَّى الْمُتَلَقِّيَانِ عَنِ الْيَمِينِ وَعَنِ الشِّمَالِ قَعِيدٌ. Allah mentions in Holy Quran that 2 respectable angels are deputed on your left and right side. مَا يَلْفِظُ مِنْ قَوْلٍ إِلَّا لَدَيْهِ رَقِيبٌ عَتِيدٌ. Not even a single word is thrown from the tongue, but they are ready. The angels are ready to write whatever we are throwing from the tongue. وَإِنَّ عَلَيْكُمْ لَحَافِظِينَ كِرَامًا كَاتِبِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ مَا تَفْعَلُونَ. Allah mentions in Holy Quran that respectable angels are deputed on you. كِرَامًا كَاتِبِينَ. They are deputed for writing. They are deputed for recording. يَعْلَمُونَ مَا تَفْعَلُونَ. Whatever you do, they just know. Whatever you do, they just write. Then Allah mentions in Holy Quran, شَهِدَ عَلَيْهِمْ سَمْعُهُمْ وَأَبْصَارُهُمْ وَجُلُودُهُمْ بِمَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. On the day of resurrection, their hearings, their sights, their eyes, and their skins. The skin includes the whole body. All body will bear witness against the man on the day of resurrection. شَهِدَ عَلَيْهِمْ سَمْعُهُمْ وَأَبْصَارُهُمْ وَجُلُودُهُمْ بِمَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. Then Allah mentions in Holy Quran, الْيَوْمَ نَخْتِمُ عَلَىٰ أَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَتُكَلِّمُنَا أَيْدِيهِمْ وَتَشْهَدُ أَرْجُلُهُم. Allah mentions in Holy Quran, on the day of resurrection, your hand and your eyes will bear witness against you. Your whole body will bear witness against you. And Allah is watching to you. And deputed angels are writing each and every act, whatever we are doing. Then how we can escape ourselves from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala if we are transgressing the sacred limits of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? May Allah help us to